Welcome to Fun Learn Adventures. Today, we're going on a fantastic farm animal adventure. Do you know what farm animals mean? These are the animals who live on the farm. Are you ready to learn about them? Let's go! Look at all these wonderful animals. Can you see them? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow! There are so many farm animals here. Let's meet some of them. Look at this cow. Cows are big, gentle animals with soft fur. They say moo. Sometimes, you might see them munching on green grass in the field. Cows resting in the field or chewing on hay. Cows give us milk, which we use to make cheese, yogurt, and butter. They're very calm and friendly, and like to relax in green fields. Here you can see the real video of cows in the farms. They are munching on green grass in the field. It has soft brown or black fur. They're very calm and friendly. Sheep are fluffy animals that live on farms. They say baa and have soft wool that keeps them warm. The wool from sheep is very special because it can be sheared off and used to make clothes like sweaters, hats, and scarves that keep us warm too. Sheep love to eat grass and spend most of their time grazing in green fields. They often stay together in groups called flocks, which helps them feel safe. When sheep talk to each other, they make a sound that goes baa. Sheep come in different colors, but most are white, though you might see some that are black, brown, or even spotted. Baby sheep are called lambs, and they are super cute with their tiny faces and soft wool. Farmers take good care of sheep by feeding them and making sure they have a warm place to sleep. In return, sheep provide us with wool and sometimes milk, which can be used to make delicious cheese. Sheep are friendly, and watching them play in the field is always a joy. Look, who's this? It's a horse. Horses are strong, graceful animals that live on farms. They have smooth coats that can be brown, black, white, or even a mix of colors. Horses are known for their speed and strength, making them important helpers on the farm. On the farm, horses help farmers with many tasks. They can pull heavy carts, plow fields, and even help round up other animals like sheep or cows. Some farms have horses that kids can ride, which is a lot of fun. Riding a horse feels like flying because they move so smoothly. See the real video of horse and farms. Horses eat a lot of hay and grass. And they enjoy munching on carrots or apples as treats. They live in a special place called a stable where they can rest and stay safe at night. Horses are smart and can be trained to understand commands. They are loyal and hardworking, making them one of the best friends a farmer can have. Hens are small, friendly birds that live on farms. They have soft feathers and come in different colors like brown, white, and black. Hens are known for laying eggs, which we eat for breakfast or use in baking. Every day, a hen can lay one egg, which the farmer collects and carefully stores. Hens make a clucking sound, which you might hear as they wander around the farmyard. They love to peck at the ground, looking for seeds, insects, and little plants to eat. A hen's beak is perfect for picking up these tiny treats. What sound do chickens make? Cluck, cluck! That's right! Chickens say, cluck, cluck! Can you flap your wings like a chicken and say, cluck, cluck too? Hens live together in a cozy place called a coop, where they sleep and lay their eggs. The coop keeps them safe from weather and other animals. At night, hens like to perch up high on a roost, which is like their special bed. Sometimes you might see a rooster, which is a boy hen. Roosters have bright feathers and are known for their loud cock-a-doodle-doo sound in the morning, waking up everyone on the farm. Hens are important on the farm because they give us eggs, which are not only delicious but also full of nutrients. Watching hens scratch around the farm is always fun. Let's see who's next. Oh, look! It's a goat. Goats are lively and curious animals that live on farms. They have short, soft fur that can be white, brown, black, or a mix of colors. Goats are known for their playful behavior and love to explore their surroundings. What sound do goats make? Let's listen. Meh, meh. Can you say meh, meh like a goat? Great job! On the farm, goats live in a pen or barn where they have plenty of space to roam and play. Look at this real video of goat. Goats eat a variety of foods, including grass, hay, and vegetables. Farmers take a good care of goats by providing them with fresh water, food, and a safe place to live. The goats are friendly and entertaining, making them a wonderful part of farm life. Now, who could be splashing in the water? It's a duck. Ducks are fun and friendly birds that live on farms. They have soft feathers that can be white, brown, or colorful, and they love to splash around in water. Ducks are very good swimmers because they have webbed feet that help them paddle through ponds and puddles. On the farm, ducks often have their special pond or small pool where they can swim and play. They also like to waddle around on land, looking for bugs and exploring. Ducks build nests near water and lay eggs, which can be collected by the farmer. Ducks have a fun and playful nature. When they are happy, they make cheerful quacking noises and flap their wings. Here is the real video of farms where ducks are playing. They are friendly animals and can be great to watch as they paddle around and interact with each other. Ducks help keep the farm clean by eating insects and keeping water sources free of weeds. They are a delightful part of farm life. Now, let's see who's next. Oh, look! It's an emu! Emu are fascinating and unique birds that can be found on some farms. They are large and tall, with long legs and necks. They have soft, shaggy feathers that are usually brown. Emu are native to Australia. On the farm, emu are often kept in large enclosures where they can roam freely and forage for food. They eat a variety of things, including plants, seeds, and insects. Emu are known for their distinctive, deep, booming calls, which can be heard from a distance. Look at these emu. They are in the farm. Emu are also social animals and like to be in groups. They can be very curious and enjoy exploring their surroundings. Watching emu run and interact can be a lot of fun and is a unique experience on a farm. Look, who's these cuties? It's a rabbit. Rabbits are adorable and gentle animals that live on farms. They have soft, furry coats that come in many colors like white, brown, gray, and black. Rabbits have long ears that stand up or flop down, depending on the breed, and they have cute little twitching noses. Rabbits love to hop around and are very good at jumping. They use their strong, powerful hind legs to leap high and run fast. Rabbits are herbivores, which means they eat plants. Their favorite foods include fresh hay, leafy greens, and carrots. They also like to munch on vegetables and fruits, but it's important to give them the right kinds of foods to keep them healthy. Rabbits need fresh water every day too. Rabbits are gentle and can be great pets or farm animals. Watching them hop and play is always a joy. Next is donkey. Donkeys are charming and helpful animals that can be found on farms. They are similar to horses but smaller and have long ears that make them look quite unique. Donkeys come in various colors like gray, brown, and black, and their soft fur can be very fluffy. Donkeys eat a lot of hay, grass, and some vegetables. They have a special way of eating. using their strong teeth to chew slowly and carefully. Donkeys also like to drink plenty of water to stay healthy. Do you know, what sound do donkey make? Hee-haw, hee-haw. On the farm, donkeys are usually kept in a cozy stable or field where they can roam and graze. Donkeys are friendly, hard-working animals. Watching them interact and work is always a pleasure. Look at these small insects called honeybees. A honeybee farm is a special place where beekeepers take care of honeybees. Bees are small insects that are very important because they help plants grow by moving pollen from flower to flower. This process is called pollination. Honeybees make a soft buzzing sound as they fly. This buzzing comes from their rapidly beating wings. On a honeybee farm, you'll find lots of beehives. These hives are like homes for the bees. Inside each hive, there are thousands of bees working together. They build hexagon-shaped wax cells in their hive, where they store honey and pollen. The honey is made from nectar that bees collect from flowers. They mix the nectar with special enzymes in their mouths to turn it into sweet honey. As you can see, beekeepers wear special suits to protect themselves from bee stings while they check on the hives. They gently open the hives and make sure the bees are healthy and have enough space to make more honey. Look at these. Honeybee farms produce delicious honey that we can enjoy on bread, in tea, or in many recipes. Bees are hardworking and fascinating creatures. And they play a big role in helping our world's plants and flowers grow. Now, let's see who's next. Oh, look! It's a pigs. Pigs are smart and playful animals that live on farms. They have short, bristly hair that can be pink, black, or even spotted. Pigs are known for their round bodies, eye, and curly tails, which wiggle when they're happy. One thing pigs love to do is roll around in the mud. You might think they're dirty, but they roll in the mud to stay cool and protect their skin from the sun. Pigs don't sweat like we do, so the mud helps keep them comfortable on hot days. Pigs eat a variety of foods, including fruits, vegetables, and grains. They are not picky and enjoy almost any treat. What sound do pigs make? Let's listen. Oink, oink. Can you say oink, oink like a pig? Here you can see the real video of pigs and fams. On the farm, pigs live in a cozy pen or barn where they can sleep and play. They are social animals and like to be with other pigs, often snuggling together when they rest. Pigs also make funny sounds like grunts and snorts, which you might hear as they talk to each other. Pigs are very smart and can even learn tricks. They are friendly and full of personality, making them a fun part of farm life. Look, who's this? It's an alpaca. Alpaca are gentle and fluffy animals that live on farms. They look a bit like llamas, but are smaller and have very soft, warm fur. Alpaca come in a variety of colors, including white, brown, black, and gray. Their fur, called fleece, is super soft and can be used to make cozy clothes like sweaters and blankets. Alpacas like to eat grass and hay. On the farm, alpacas usually live in a large, open area where they can graze and play. They are social animals and prefer to be with other alpacas. Alpacas are easy to take care of and need regular brushing to keep their fleece clean and healthy. They also need fresh water and a safe place to stay. Watching alpacas graze and interact with each other can be very entertaining and fun on a farm. Wow! We met so many new friends today. We met the cow who says moo, White the chicken who says cluck cluck, Huck the pig who says oink oink, the duck who says quack quack, and many more. Farm animals are so much fun, and they help us in so many ways. We had a great time. What was your favorite animal today? That's awesome! Thanks for joining me on this farm-tastic adventure. Don't forget to come back to Fun Learn Adventures for more fun and learning. See you next time. Bye-bye.